TalentLMS lets you seamlessly upload files to your portal and share them with your users. You can do this in 3 simple ways: through a course, directly with a single user, or through branches and groups. Let's start with the course method. From the course list, select a course and click on the Files tab. Select Upload Files and drag and drop your files into this area here. You can also upload a file from an external URL. TalentLMS supports various file types and sizes. For our purposes, let's upload a PDF. Once you've uploaded it, your file will appear in the Files list. Hover over the file and select the eye icon to preview it. To share your file with your learners, click the toggle button. Remember, you can also add a file to a course by navigating to the Files tab while editing your course. Simply drag and drop your file into the designated area. This makes the file instantly accessible to the course's learners. No additional steps required. Let's switch over to the learners role and access these files from their point of view. Enter the course you uploaded the file to, find the Files tab next to the Content tab, and click to preview or download the file. Now, let's switch back to the administrator's role to upload a file directly to a user's profile. Go to Users, click the Edit icon for the user you'd like to share the file with, and move to the Files tab. Upload the file and edit its visibility to make it available to the users. To share a file with an entire branch or a group of users, go to Branches or Groups from your navigation bar, and click the Edit icon for the branch or group you're interested in. Move to the Files tab, upload your file, and edit its visibility to make it available to your users. Learners can access shared files at any time by hovering over their names in the top right corner and selecting My Files from the drop-down menu. You're now ready to start sharing various files with your users through your TalentLMS portal.